Just wants to keep snowing up here in southern Ontario areas. Can't get no work done on this baby. Gotta love it. Frickin' Canada winters here. Man, oh man. Can't get nothing done on it right now. It's a sad time. Even though it's nice, beautiful snow. Man, this is the most snow we've had so far, eh, buddy? Good boy. Come on, let's go, let's go. Good boy. Come on, let's go. Oh, good boy. Stay. Good boy. Where'd all this snow's coming from, man? Good boy. That's a good boy. Oh, he's a good boy. He's a good boy. All right, let's go inside. Attaboy. This way. And when will the snow stop or melt away? Go away, snow. Need to work on the machine here. Well, hopefully next week, get some videos going again. Get some work happening. Stand by. We'll be back.